Hey guys, Jordan Yates here. Welcome back to my channel and today's unboxing video, which is going to be the Niyro Ned collaborative robot. This is so cool, mostly, because I love a good robot, or in this case, cobot. But it was also donated to the Black Girls Do Engineer Corporation by the company because they want to see kids learn. So let's unbox, let's get into it and see how awesome this 6-axis cobot is. Pull it out of the box. Looky here, small enough to fit in my hands. It's probably about like 15 pounds, give or take, but it's definitely very light and movable. It also came with the other parts, which are going to be, let's see, a gripper. This is awesome. We will definitely be using this in the demo video, which will be our next video. And I'll give you guys a closer view of all the parts in just a minute. Let's see, and then we have some, looks like suction cups. This is probably like another end of arm tooling. Then we have little bag here. What's inside? Ooh, looks like a universal surge protector. That is going to be helpful. I have a bad habit of blowing fuses. So we have that there, so we can get it plugged in and powered up. Looks like some little wrenches here to get us, I guess, our attachments on, probably. And then another box, which I'm hoping has a power cord in it. Ooh, it does. Great. Okay, this is exactly what we needed. So we're gonna get powered up in the next video, but this video, I just wanna give you a high-level overview, a few tech specs, and then we'll get into the demo next time. Okay guys, as promised, just a few high-level tech specs and a little more background on this really cool cobot. So the reason Niyro is very interesting as a company is because their goal is to democratize robots. What does that mean? Well, they want affordable robots that everybody can get their hands on. Why? Because they think that everybody should have the opportunity to learn. I think this is really neat, and they've been able to create a very user-friendly cobot here with open source communication and an ability to learn very quickly and repeat movements with high precision. So precise, it's down to 0.5 millimeters. Guys, that is very precise for a very affordable collaborative robot. So as I said, this has 6 axes. Now you can see it moves a lot, and that is due to all of the different axes it has. I'm not going to go through each one, but if you could see how it's able to twist, turn, move side to side, that's because it's powered by all these really cool Dynamixel little servo drives in here. Okay, and I love Dynamixel as well. I had a partnership with them a while back where I was able to learn more about their products. So if they're in here, I love it even more. So that is our Niyro Ned cobot. I will, like I said, make the demo in the next video so you guys can see it in action. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you will, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.